So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this quote slide. So first, let's start off with a blank slide. Then right click, format background, change the background fill to black. Then go ahead and insert your image. Now, once you have your image, go to picture format, click on crop, and drag the handles to the end of the slide. Just like that. Then click on the drop down for crop and click on fill. Now that we have the picture that's covering the entire slide, you can right click the picture and click on format picture. Then go to the picture tab, click on picture transparency, and increase this to about 65%, just enough to make it look kind of darker or sort of more like something that's been put on top of the black background rather than a fully solid image. Now let's make the spinning lines. So go to insert, click on shapes, and add an arc. Now hold down shift and click and drag to make an arc that is uniform. Now once you have this arc, change the shape outline to white and change the weight to something that better suits the slide. Then right click the arc and click on format shape. Then under line, click on gradient line. Now you'll see there are these sliders over here. Two of these you can just drag it down to delete them. The first slider you can maintain it as white, and the second slider change it to black. But I'm just gonna interchange the positions of these, just like that, and also position them slightly closer to one another. Then for the white slider, change the transparency to 0% if it's not already. Then for the black slider, change the transparency to 100%. Now you can see how we got this sort of faded curve effect. Now feel free to change the position of these sliders to get a better line that better suits your tastes. Then change the cap type to round. Now we have this line sort of projectile kind of effect. So then once you have this, select it, hold down shift and alt to resize it, and then position it at the center. You can also do this by going to shape format, click on align, align center, and align middle. Then duplicate this line by using Ctrl D. Then click on rotate, flip vertical, and flip horizontal. Then do the same thing, align center and align middle. Select both the arcs, and you can make sure that they're both selected just like that. And you can right click and click on group. And once again, you can align center and align middle just to make sure that it is perfectly in the center. Then resize it such that it passes outside the slide itself. Just a little bit, not too much. And you can align center and align middle once again. Now that we have this, we can go to animations and click on spin. Now as you saw, it spun way too quickly and it stopped, which is not what we want. So to fix this, select it, then in the animations panel, then on start, change this to with previous, then click on animation pane, then right click and click on effect options. Then go to timing and change the duration to 5 seconds and repeat until the end of the slide. And click on OK. Now you can see we better have that effect that we desire. Now all that's left to do is to add the quote in the center. Now once you have your quote and the speaker of the quote, select both of them, right click, and click on group. Then once again go to shape format, align, align center, and align middle. Now let's see the final result. So if you did find this video helpful or useful, make sure to like and subscribe to stay updated with the frequent video tutorials, tips, and tricks for PowerPoint presentations and more. Stay tuned.